can't withdraw, Chair, even if I'm to end my discussion here. Because my presentation today, history will prove me right. I know, and I'll table at the right time.
But you see, you've mentioned it in this committee.
Chairman, who authorized the Communications Authority to commit to give a discount to Safaricom in the renewal of 5 licenses, which some I have tabulated in my memorandum? That Kenya, in that respect, is losing close to 100 billion Kenya shillings on conditions precedent. This we have already promised the buyer. We have told them, you buy us out, you'll pay half the license fee. Half the license fee in terms of billions of shillings. Money enough to make basic education in Kenya free today. So the Communications Authority, the management, went ahead to commit Kenya to a loss of over close to 100 billion Kenya shillings on conditions precedent. The board had not met when the management of CA did that. And I would want them to table to this committee when the board of CA met to actually discuss about not any other matter, the conditions precedent that we have given to the buyers where Kenya is losing over 100 billion shillings. So we are here talking about 2 or 4 billion, but the net amount of money we are actually getting as Kenya is 104 billion, because 100 billion shillings is already lost in conditions precedent. Chairman, if there is one thing that you have to stop, is that one, because there is no basis. Secondly, some of the licenses that other players in the market are getting for 15 years, the buyer cornered us as Kenya to put on a length of 25 years. Members, my brothers and sisters, we are here committing our country for the next 25 years. And I want all of us to add 25 years to the age that we already have. And we commit that we can continue answering these questions, that we committed Kenya to a loss of 100 billion, that we are willing to answer that question until, if you are 40, you are 65. And what is the basis of even this condition precedent? It is just absurd, Chair. And this must stop. And some of these conversations that were done, that we take this discussion and this transaction so light that we are doing phone calls. Phone calls where Kenya is losing 100 billion shillings, that make this letter to the... when the transaction happened, Chair, it was a hurry, because I thought this is the only person who can bail us out, because we are nearing election, we need money. Chairman, have you looked at mobile termination rates? What conditions precedent did we give to the buyers? Conditions precedent, and as I'm repeating, is this, Chair. You want to sweeten the deal. In the markets, we say sweetening the deal. So that, okay, I'm selling this cow, but I'm also selling with the calf. You try to sweeten. So, the condition precedent we gave is actually bigger than what we are selling. So we lose money on one hand through CA, 1 on licenses, 5 of them, over 100 billion shillings. Secondly, on this other side, Chair, we are here now pushing Kenyans into a corner through mobile termination rates. I know you'll do that homework.